Today in soybeans, the market was really choppy. The buying excitement because of the China report really is fading. It seems that the trade just turned out to be just not as big as expected, and a lot of selling came in. Even the crush margins are really getting softer and starting to put some pressure on the soybean market. And while it looked pretty strong for a while there, it started to fall off a little bit. That being said, that we're still moving sideways and we're still hanging on to some of the gains that we made earlier in the week. But already traders are looking to the 2019 to see exactly where we're going to go from there. Corn also firmed up today. It was a one-day kind of counter trend that raised the prices somewhat, and it stayed relatively strong amidst a lot of other issues that you would normally see this market start to sell off a little bit. But you know, it firmed up. It's really hoping that China is going to step up and improve what they're going to buy from the U.S., and that would really help a lot to start to eat through some of our supplies. But overall, the exports have been pretty well in corn, so that is also helping the market, stay strong. And I think that it's steadying the market, and maybe we could see a little bit more of a rally come next week. Wheat was mixed a little bit today. I think that run up yesterday was just a little bit too much, and maybe there's some profit taking coming in. But the futures did slip after that rally, and interestingly enough, as all fundamentals are really very bullish for wheat. The export demand is really good. We've had the second largest week for the year last week for the export for shipments. There has been quality concerns from Argentina, Russia, from Australia. All these things are really bullish, and yet the market kind of sold off, and it seems like everyone wants to take everything off the table as the week ends here, but we're going to start Monday again, and we should pick back up. I think that that's all that there is for wheat, and the interesting thing to watch out is that the Chicago wheat is trading at a premium to Kansas City. We don't see that very often, and so those kind of plays or opportunities for spreading is pretty vast on the wheat complex.